Locked out of your WordPress admin? Don't worry, we've all been there. In this video, I'll show you every possible way to regain access to your phpMyAdmin dashboard quickly and safely. Stay tuned to learn how to troubleshoot like a pro. Hello everyone, today we're tackling one of the most frustrating issues WordPress users face: being locked out of phpMyAdmin. Whether you've forgotten your password, encountered plugin conflicts, or faced a hacked site, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. Double-check your username and password for typos. It might sound simple, but it's a common mistake. If that doesn't work, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the steps to reset it via email. If the password reset email isn't working, you can reset it manually through phpMyAdmin. Here's how. Log into your hosting account and open phpMyAdmin. Locate your WordPress database and find the WP users table. Edit the user whose password you need to reset. In the user pass field, enter a new password and select MD5 as the hashing function. Save your changes. Once done, try logging in with your new password. Sometimes, a plugin conflict can lock you out. To resolve this, you'll need to disable your plugins. Connect to your server using FTP or your hosting's file manager. Navigate to the WP content and then Plugins directory. Rename the Plugins folder to something like Plugins 1. This will deactivate all plugins. Try logging in again. If you're getting a permission denied error, incorrect file permissions might be the issue. Use your hosting control panel, or FTP, to set the correct permissions. Folders should be set to 755 and files to 644. Make sure the WP login.php file isn't missing or corrupted. A faulty theme can also cause login issues. Navigate to the WP content and then Themes folder and rename your active theme folder. WordPress will automatically switch to the default theme, allowing you to access the dashboard. Sometimes, the issue isn't with WordPress but your browser. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or try accessing phpMyAdmin using a private or incognito window. Your .htaccess file might have incorrect rules blocking your access. Rename the .htaccess file temporarily and try logging in. WordPress will generate a new one once you save your permalink settings. If none of these methods work, your site might have been hacked. Use a WordPress security plugin like WordFence or Securi to scan and clean your site. You can also check for unknown users in your database and remove them. If all else fails, contact your hosting provider. They can help you regain access or identify server-level issues that might be causing the problem. Getting locked out of WPAdmin can be stressful, but with these solutions, you'll be back on track in no time. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching.